Good morning, panels. Today I'm here like to present my research title is Physical Characteristics and Tensile Properties of Bamboo Fiber Subject in Different Age. Okay, now I like to start my presentation with my abstract. Okay, in last couple of decades, natural plant fiber are classified based on their organic. Instead, that bamboo is getting interest due the useness in textile application beside the most suitable plant in earth. These natural characteristics should affect the mechanical properties of fiber formation in textile processing. Besides, the extraction processing bamboo fiber is significantly challenging over the different species of them. As a result, the tensile, thickness and fineness test behavior of bamboo fiber over the wide range of species must be truly studied. The purpose of this research to determine the mechanical characteristics and physical properties of bamboo smarten and smelling from two communal bamboo species in Malaysia at various age. Each specimen has their own respective age such as 12, 24 and 36 months for representing for bamboo smarten while 6 and 12 months for representing for smelling. These two species of fiber in different age located were extracted mechanically and tested. The bamboo fiber tenacity and fineness were examined besides the thickness value. Among those species, 6 months of fiber represent for smarten recorded the coarse fiber at 17.02 text, while highest thickness value of 0.07 represent for smarten 12 months, and the highest tenacity obtained by smelling 6 months 55.33 cm per text, and the highest tensile and modulus obtained by smarten 12 months. Bamboo fiber has variation advantage over other plant fibers owing to fast growth rate and high strength, which is sparked in the interest of academic interest in using the bamboo fiber. Okay, next I'd like to move on with the introduction. Okay, in the problem statement, bamboos are played an important role in the ecosystem and help to low the light intensity of protect against the ultraviolet. Bamboo is an important component in the air of the atmosphere, oxygen and carbon dioxide, and its fight against the global warming. Instead, that cotton is the most natural fiber that used in textile by the government. Bamboo textile is a cloth warm and or clothing that made from the bamboo fiber. However, cotton contributes into the agriculture pollution because cotton requires high fertilizer and mineral from the cotton field contaminated in rivers. Okay, in the previous research, bamboo had been applied in various applications such as construction, manufacturing, and etc. However, it's not widely used in the engineering application. For example, in Nigeria, construction industry, the main material used in the manufacture was wood and steel, although bamboo has the high tensile and mechanical properties in terms of all adopting or used in the construction. And third is the ligand contact will reduce the tensile strength of fiber and reduce the using the bamboo fiber treatment. Ligand level have been shown to be reduced by a variety of chemical therapies. However, the selection of proper treatment of bamboo fiber will increase the tensile strength of fiber. Okay, there are two objectives that I will focus in this research. First, to characterize the physical properties of bamboo fiber to the different species and age. Second, to analyze the mechanical properties of bamboo fiber subject in different age. Okay, the project scope that I will focus first, two types of bamboo species chosen to conduct the experiment test, which are the bulu smarten and bulu smelling. 4 types of age will be set: 6, 12, 24 and 36 months as a sample of tensile, thickness and fineness test preparation. 2 types of bamboo species will extraction mechanically before start the experiment. Physical characteristics involve the bamboo fiber, which are the fineness and thickness. Mechanical properties that involve the experiment tensile will according to the standard method of the tensile test properties. Okay, next I'd like to explain about the literature view. Okay, bamboo is considered a weed in the Malaysian forestry in general. Malaysia has about the 70 species of bamboo. 50 are in the Peninsular Malaysian, which are the 25 are inculus and 25 exotics, 30 in Sabah and 20 in Sarawak. Malaysia is a heavily forest region with the forest product which such as bamboo providing significant revenue. The Malaysian communal bamboo species need to be exported as plantation based so that the substance to supply the bamboo resource for the natural demand. Bamboo is the world focused growing work up to 16 cm and more in the single day. Bamboo has a social, economical, intellectual, cultural value and is widely used in construction material among the other things. It's a feasible raw material which can be used in a variety of tasks. Other than that, age or related change must be considered in several ways. First, during the differential of the growth of the individual clump. Second, the relation of the age of the subsequent clump originating from the seedling bamboo. And third, and most importantly, during the life cycle of the individual clump from the maturity stage to the maceration to the death. Okay, now I'd like to explain about the methodology of this project. Okay, two types of bamboo species will be chosen in this extraction process, which are the Bulus Matan and Bulus Melin. And the bamboo will be marked in on day 1 after the bamboo will shoot begin in the hours after the 6 months, and it will continue for 6 months for the age, 12 months, 24 months, and 26 months. Then each bamboo will be longitudinally stripped with a 2 mm of diameter, 2 mm of thickness, and 100 mm of length. After that, the bamboo which are stripped will undergo the water retting for 3 days, so that the bamboo will be soft to proceed to the extraction process. And the decorating machine will use to the extraction operation. After the decorating, the fiber will be dry so that the fiber will cool to make it smooth. Finally, the fiber will be sorted in every sample. Okay, based on the fiber, I will conduct the experiment about the mechanical and physical properties. In physical properties, I will obtain two results, which are the fineness and thickness. And in the mechanical properties, I will conduct the tensile experiment. Based on the experiment, I will obtain three results, which are the tenacity, tensile strength, and tensile modulus. Okay, now I like to explain about the result and discussion. In physical properties, I will obtain two results, which are the thickness and fineness. Based on the thickness graph, the value of set 24 and set 12 are slightly lower compared to set 36, and the thickness value of set 36 is 0.08 mm higher to set 24 and 12, while the thickness value of set SAM 12 is 0.06 mm higher compared to 0.06 thickness value of SAM 6. It's because of the significant difference between the fiber diameter between 6 months to 36 months clump should be due to the effect of the stage, where they considered as developing maturation. In fineness, the bamboo species of Smarta represent of SAM 12 is higher value at 16.93, while the SAT 36 is lowest at 16.44 tax. Furthermore, the bamboo species of Smalang for SAM 6 is constituting higher value at 17.02 compared to SAM 12. It's because of the different amount of sequential fiber within a stand of fiber should contribute the different mass of value, resulting in the value tax value. Okay, in tensile experiment, I will obtain three results, which are the tenacity, tensile strength, and modulus. Based on the tensile graph, the bamboo species of Smarta represent set 24 as delivered to the higher tenacity value of 55.33, followed by the set 12 and set 36 having a lowest tenacity value of 51.87 and 55.01, while the SAM 12 represent of Smalang is higher compared to SAM 6. It's because of specified tensile performance value showing the strength of the fiber over the specified fineness. The lower tenacity bamboo fiber indicate the high ligand content, resulting in the low degree of polymerization of sequelus maculus. The lowest tax value and higher breaking load should affect the higher tenacity value. The higher tenacity, the better fiber strength of textile processing. Okay, then based on the tensile graph, the tensile value from the different age ranging from the 2586 to 0.98 to 2807 MPa respectively, while the Smartan bamboo has shown the minimal variation across the different ages ranging from 2497.80 to 2605 MPa. However, SAM 12 represent of Smalang had the best effect of the tensile strength value of bamboo fiber strip at 2807.25, while the set 24 represent of Smartan had the greatest impact of tensile strength value of bamboo fiber strip at 2605 MPa. It was probably because of higher density of this fiber caused by deposition of ligand in mature bamboo fiber. Okay, based on the tensile modulus graph, the modulus value of Smalang bamboo fiber range from 3181 3.21 to 4135 MPa for different age, while the Semantan bamboo show the change throughout the age, ranging from 3462.54 to 5386.98 MPa. However, the SAM12 represents for Smelling at highest value of bamboo fiber strip at 2807.25 MPa, while SAT36 represents of Semantan at highest value of bamboo fiber strip at 2605.8 MPa. This is because of length of fiber is too long. There is some possibility for the fiber to be alienated to each other. Thus, the interfacial bonding between the fiber and matrix will be distributed to lead low tensile modulus. Okay, next I'd like to explain about the conclusion. Okay, in this research, fiber fineness, diameter, and tensile tests are the asset of factor in influencing in tensile stability. Fineness attributed variable in the natural fiber may be advanced in the next texting processing comparing with the diameter and tenacity value. This research suggests the mechanical properties of custom strip untreated bamboo fiber with controlled sample dimension as equivalent interference strength, but require more improvement in next textile processing. However, further study is needed to offer more knowledge about the bamboo and explore the potential in advanced technologies. Thank you.